Today we are going to make a guessing game by C programming language. In this game the computer will take a random number from 1 to 100 and we have to guess that number by the hints given by computer. I am using VS Code to write the source code. You can use VS Code or any other code runner to run the code given as follows. Hash include stdio.h. Hash include stdlib.h. Hash include time.h. Int main. Int number, guess, n guesses equals 1. Srand time 0. Number equals rand rounded brackets open and closes percentage 100 plus 1. /printf the number is %d\n comma number. Do printf guess the number between 1 to 100 \n. Scanf %d emphasis guess. If guess greater than number. Printf lower number please \n. Else if guess less than number. Printf higher number please. Else. Printf you guessed it in %d attempts \n comma n guesses. N guesses ++. While guess not equals to number. Return 0. Compile now. Computer asks guess the number between 1 to 100. I said 33. Computer says lower number please. I guess 23. Computer lower number please. I guessed 13. Again computer says lower number please. I guessed 10. Computer lower number please. I guessed 5. I guessed 3. Finally I guessed 1. Thanks for watching. If the video was helpful, do like it and don't forget to subscribe my channel.